Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to create Reunion Acrylic. Because of this I am picking more cobalt blue and little red mixed well together for this color combination for Reunion Acrylic. It is a warm shade of deep blue. Now let's paint a beautiful painting with which I create this acrylic. Today I will bring you an idea to paint a tutorial how to paint a realistic moon in easy way and moonlit reflection on water too. So I am using 10 by 12 canvas board, flat brushes size 24, 22, 2 and liner 0, angular brush size 4. Now I am moisturizing flat brush size 24 and picking Reunion Acrylic first and apply top on the canvas board step by step like this. Now I am starting blending using 4th brush strokes from right corner of the canvas to the left like this. Next, when I am coming to the middle, I am adding some more white with the previous color just to start the blending. Here I am following the same previous techniques. Once to complete the background, just I leave this canvas to dry couple of minutes. Now the beautiful background is ready. After this, now I am going to paint a moon. You can use any kind of circle shape you can have. Now I am placing top on the canvas board and using white pencil to draw a round shape. After completing and tracing of the round shape, now I am picking some titanium white. Here I am using dry flat brush only. Don't moist the flat brush and the flat brush size 22 and starting to paint around the circle like this slowly step by step. Using chisel edge of this flat brush to go around the border of the circle just to smoothen up and using circular motion brush strokes somewhere. Just leave lighter layer in this. Again, the second layer I am picking some titanium white. Just start from this side, apply the paint for the little brighter shade. Now leave it a couple of minutes. After finishing this, now I am starting the another layer to make the moon more realistic look. After completing this, I am going to create the crater in the moon. am going to make a little dark spot with using flat brush because we are going to create a crater in this. So I am using my finger with the titanium white just to make a dab in it. Once complete this, next I am taking liner brush size 0 and outline down. Next, picking titanium white to paint a crater line around it. Always the crater lines are not straight, it's always looking like little curve. Here I am starting to make a line around from the crater. They are going outwards but like curve line to draw the spherical shape of the moon. So many craters are there in the moon. Again, here I am making another one crater also. Finally giving white highlighting around the moon using a glow brush size 4 and picking some titanium white with the edges of the bristles to give it for the white glowing with a brighter look around the moon. So I am starting to give pure white with the border of outline to the moon. Do not give the whole moon with the pure white. Then we can see the realistic look to the moon. Once completing this process of this painting, next I am going to create the moon water reflections. So I am using a masking tape to tape in it 1/3 portion of the canvas board. Here bottom of the moon making the horizon line. Next apply little bit Reunion Acrylic with the white acrylic, spun it well together and apply center of the canvas for this moonlight reflections in the water just to come downwards like this. Here creating the water effect on the both right hand side and the left hand side, just blend into the rest of the water body. Here creating the stars, I am using the same flat brush size 2, add little bit water, mixing with titanium white acrylic and mix it well together. Now tilt and bring back the bristles with my finger and sprinkle like this on the canvas for creating the stars like this and the sky background. When doing this techniques, we create the stars here and there around the sky background just to keep our brushes little far away from the canvas while creating the stars. No need to go very close to the canvas. Now our layer stars are ready. Here I am using flat brush size 24 and picking some black acrylic to create the land in the bottom of the canvas like this using daubing techniques. Creating the grass and flowers, so I am using liner brush 0, picking black to create the grass with one stroke techniques like this, and finally creating the flowers also with white acrylics using flat brush size 2. The same flat brush size 2 and picking titanium white acrylic. Now here make like a uneven brush strokes like this for the realistic look for the moonlit reflections on the water. I am sharing here different brush strokes and techniques for beginners. Here color creating challenging and one color using with the making of painting. Here are getting ready for you in my upcoming videos. Stay connected, like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.